guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to show you 10 lipsticks which didn't work on me at all. It doesn't suit me at all. I look pathetic and I look horrible in those lipsticks. Now I thought of making this video because I thought it will be a sort of fun video also, and it might save you some money also. If you're of my skin tone and if you buy this lipstick, I can tell you one thing, you're just going to waste your money. So if you want to know which are those lipsticks which didn't suit me at all, you need to just keep on watching. Two more lipsticks are there which I have to show you guys, but before that I would like to tell you something. That if you are thinking that these lipsticks can be worn if you put a deep lip liner, definitely I know this and I do apply this in my life. I am a person, if I invest money in something, I am not going to throw that away. I need to find out different ways in which I can use the product, and especially with these lipsticks, I am using each and every lipsticks in my life. In some I have to put a deep lip liner. With some lipsticks, especially if the lipsticks is really very light, I use deep lipsticks. I mix and match those lipsticks and I wear it and it pops up beautifully. So you need to find out ways in which you can use these lipsticks which you think are not that good, or which washes you out, or which you are not very impressed with. I think you should not throw it away. You should try out different ways, especially with different lipsticks. It is going to turn out beautifully, guys. And yes, I am showing you these lipsticks. It is not that I hate this lipsticks, but definitely when I bought this lipstick and when I received this lipsticks, I was thinking of something different. That I thought of, it will make my face look brighter or something, but it didn't turn out the way I expected. That is the reason I am making this video. Don't ever think that I am hating these brands, because from these brands only I have got lots and lots of lipsticks which makes me feel really beautiful from inside out. I can tell you that this is something fun, and I thought a little bit informative also if you are of my skin tone. So guys, if you have liked this video, please leave a like. I know you're looking at my lipstick, I know it is washing me out, but the video was all about these lipsticks only na. So what I was telling, if you have liked this video, please leave a like. It is going to boost my confidence. I have worked a lot for this video, and if you want to have some fun, you can share this video also, and definitely do subscribe to my channel with that bell icon to get more updates from me. And until my next video comes, stay safe, stay happy, God bless, tata, oh, bye bye.